In DDISCAD 17 you get new visualization filters in the rendered model for your sanitary, heating, air conditioning and ventilation design. Previously, it was possible to display components, the U-value analysis and the heating load of specific rooms. Now, additional states of the system can be visualized. Using visualization filters, the worst path in pipe systems, the insulation states of pipes and ducts, blocked nominal diameters, and the flow velocities in heating, cooling, sewage, and ventilation systems are also highlighted in color in the model now. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell to be notified of new videos.